हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, एक बार फिर मैं आपके लिए एक नई वीडियो क्लास 9 के लिए लेकर आया हूँ। क्लास 9 बुक फर्स्ट बिहाइव द सेकेंड चैप्टर ऑफ दिस लेसन द साउंड ऑफ म्यूजिक, written by Deborah Cowley, a female writer and essayist. He has written this chapter in a biographical tone, biographical element. In this chapter, she described two great personality of a same field. Two great personality of a same field. One, Evelyn Glennie. Second, Bismillah Khan. The purpose behind writing this chapter, the writer wants to give us the inspiration and also a message that the physical disability cannot stop the people to move in the path of success, because to get success the physical fitness is not important. The important things to become a success is the determination, work hard, and the total dedication of work. That is why the writer Deborah Cowley has given the example of two great disabilities, two great examples of such people. One is a physical disabled, second is an economical disabled. But still, being such weak point, both of them got a great success. The highest peak of success they captured. Only one thing they have, that is the determination and dedication. Students, this chapter is prescribed for 9th class only for this, that all of you, not only you also, but all of us should have great dedication to our work and a great determination to work hard. Then no one can stop us to achieve the goal. No one can stop us to achieve the goal. For example, first, Evelyn Glennie, she is a deep student. Still, she became the master of music. Which is the part of belongs such part of the physics of human physics, and she was disabled for that particular part because she was deaf and she can't hear the music. By the outer surface, she was a deaf, by the ear, that is, we can say, that is outer surface, she was unable to listen the music, but she worked hard over this and she began to listen the music by soul. She started feel the music. She started feel the soul of the music. And when she involved herself in the music, she became a great learner of music. And after learning music and practicing the musical instruments such as xylophone, she gave a demo in the Royal Academy of Music in London and achieved the highest rank of that academy. And also she won the great award of Soloist of the Year award in 1991. She proved that physical disability cannot create any type of obstacle in the path of success. If we have full determination, full dedication and full courage to work hard, then no one can stop us. No one can stop us and no one can stop to gain success. Students, read this chapter very carefully and find that this chapter is a very inspirational for us. But you should read it very carefully and find the meaning of all the things. If you read this, you find that this is very inspirative chapter. Thank you. Goodbye.